Okay, question 15. A card is selected from a deck of 52 cards, then another card is selected after replacing the first card. Determine the probability of each event. Because we replace the card, so the deck will still have 52 cards when we pick the card on the second time. So getting 2 diamonds will just be 1 out of 4 times 1 out of 4. Diamond will just be 1 out of 4 times 1 out of 4. Because remember there are 4 suits, right? So one of the suit is diamond. That's why probability of getting a diamond is 1 out of 4. And on the second one is also 1 out of 4. So we just multiply them to get 1 out of 16. Drawing 2 face card. So there are 12 face card. Because we have 3 face card in each suit and we have 4 suits. So 3 times 4 is 12 out of the 52 cards. And then on the second pick is the same idea because we are replacing the card. And now I will just use my calculator. I just type that in and then my calculator simplifies for me right away. I get 9 over 169. Probability of drawing 2 kings. So the first king, we only have 4 kings out of the 52 cards, and the second pick is the same thing. There are 4 kings out of 52 cards. 452 times 4 out of 52. I get 1 over 169. Finally, to draw 2 black card. Half of the cards are black because we are replacing those, so that doesn't change the probability at all. So probability of drawing 2 black card will just be 1 out of 4. So this time we are not replacing. If we are not replacing, it becomes much more difficult. The first one, we have 13 diamond out of 52 cards. The second time when you pick, if the first one is already a diamond, you have 12 remaining diamond cards and there are only 51 cards left. So now we have 13 out of 52 times 12 out of 51. And the probability becomes 1 out of 17. That's A. B. Probability of face card, 2 face card. So we have 12 face card out of 52, and there are only 11 face card remaining out of the 51 remaining cards. And we get 11 over 2, 2, 1. Probability of getting 2 kings. So first probability is still the same, just 4 out of 52 compared to 15C. And now there are only 3 kings left out of the remaining 51 cards. We get 1 over 221. Finally, D, probability of 2 black. So the first black, we have 26 black cards out of the 52 cards, and the second one, there are only 25 remaining black cards out of the 51 remaining cards. And our answer is 25 over 102. Moving on to 17. Bet has 3 black and 2 red. So we are replacing in 17. So probability of red will just be 2 out of 5 times 2 out of 5 because we are replacing the ball. So the probability does not change. We get 4 over 25. And the probability of black is going to be 3 out of 5 times 3 out of 5. We get 9 over 25. C. Probability of black and red. So black is 3 out of 5, red is 2 out of 5. We multiply them, we get 6 over 25. And then probability of black and red. So this one is a little bit different from what we have been doing. This means we can have black first then red, or we can have red first then black. So you need to add up those possibilities. So black is 3 out of 5, red is 2 out of 5, and then red is 2 out of 5, black is 3 out of 5. So you get 6 over 25 plus 6 over 25, and we get 12 over 25. So 18 is almost exactly the same, but this time we are not replacing. Okay, so I don't need to draw that out again. I'll just go ahead and do A here. So probability of red is going to be 2 out of 5 for the first one, right? 2 red out of 5 balls. And then times, there will only be 1 red ball remaining out of the 4 remaining balls. So that should be 1 out of 10. Both black, same idea. The first one is 3 out of 5, but the second one, there is only 2 remaining black balls out of the 4 remaining balls. So we should get 3 out of 10. And then C, black then red. So black is 3 out of 5, and then red, there's 2 red out of the remaining 4 red balls. That would be 3 out of 10. D, black and red. So again, I can have black red and red black. So black first will be 3 out of 5, and then red will be 2 out of 4. If I have red first, that will be 2 out of 5, and black will be 3 out of 4. So we got 6 over 20 plus 6 over 20. That's 12 over 20. And then we simplify that to 3 out of 5. 19. A ball has 4 green, 3 red, and 2 yellow. Okay. So maybe just 19 and 20. I just need to draw it once. Yeah, I just put it in the middle. So 4 green. 3 red. 2 yellow. So 19, again, we are replacing. So probability of getting 2 green will just be the probability of green. That's 4 out of 9. Times 4 out of 9. We get 16 over 81. B, red then yellow. Red is 3 out of 9. Yellow is 2 out of 9. We get 2 out of 27. Probability of red then yellow. Oh, red and yellow. So red and yellow means I can have red yellow and yellow red. So I need to add those up. So red yellow, we already did it previously, is 3 out of 9 over times 2 out of 9. Yellow red is just 2 out of 9 times 3 over 9. So if we add it up, we should get 4 over 27. And D, selecting 3 green. So that's green, green, green. So probability of the first green is 4 out of 9. Second one is also 4 out of 9. Third one is also 4 out of 9. So we just multiply them. We get 64 over 729. Question 20. So this time we are not replacing them, so they become dependent events. So this time getting 2 green is, the first one is 4 of 9, and then now there are only 3 remaining green marbles times 8. We can simplify, divide this by 4 to get 1, divide this by 4 to get 2, or you can just use your calculator, divide this by 3 to get 1, divide this by 3 to get 3. We get 1 out of 6. Probability of a red then yellow. So red is 3 out of 9. Yellow is still 2, but there is only 8 remaining marbles to choose from. Yeah, I'll just use my calculator. 1 out of 12. And then red and yellow. So red and yellow means red yellow or yellow red. So the order does not really matter here. Red is 3 out of 9. Yellow will be 2 out of 8. Right, 2 remaining. 2 yellow marbles over the remaining 8 marbles. Yellow is 2 out of 9. Red will be 3 out of 8. And once again, I just use my calculator. And I get 1 out of 6. Probability of getting 3 green is going to be 4 out of 9 times 3 remaining green out of 8 remaining marbles, and then 2 remaining green out of 7 remaining marbles. And then I just type that into the calculator. I get 1 over 21. And that's it for chapter 7. I will see you in chapter 8.